Are you feeling unmotivated? Are you feeling stagnant? Like you're not seeing the changes or the results that you want to see in your life? Well, if you stay tuned, in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 simple tips that helped me change not only my mindset, but the results that I was getting in my life, and I did it at my lowest point. Make sure you stay to the end because number 8 is by far the most important. So let's jump right into it, man. Habit number 1, definitely I would say, is discipline. This helped me out so much, from exercising, from accomplishing my goals, to just becoming a better overall person. It all came from having self-discipline. So cannot skip over that. I'm not gonna go too long because I just want to get straight to the points, give you all the value I can in this video. But definitely, whatever you're doing, please make sure you're disciplined at it. And discipline to me just means being consistent over a long period of time until you're able to actually accomplish whatever that mission, whatever that goal, whatever that desire is. You have to have discipline to do that. Habit number 2, reading. And I did not understand the importance of how reading can really change your life. Like, I didn't honestly start getting into reading until I was incarcerated. I had to do some time in the federal prison, and that's when I really read. I've never read any books besides probably 1 or 2 in my whole life until I got locked up. And now I've read probably over 100 books because I was locked up for about 4 years, and I still practice it even though I'm out now, is reading. Because what you don't understand, the contents of these books, it's people's positions and perspectives and psychology and business. Like, it's so much in these books. Just, I can give you a good book, As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. The Secret is a good book for helping transform your mind. You probably heard of that. What's another book I can think of? Outwitting the Devil by Napoleon Hill. It's a great book, and I'll actually drop these books that I'm mentioning down in the description so that way you guys can read it if you're interested. But definitely, number 2, read something, man. Whatever you're interested in, it doesn't have to be anything specific, but pick up those books, man, because it's a whole lot of knowledge in them. Let's get straight to it. Number 3, man, this is a big one. You have to have a positive perspective. And what I mean by that is, we all go through our struggles, we all go through our ups and our downs, but at the mindset that I'm in now, I don't see anything as bad per se. I see everything as a perspective. So you can look at a situation as a bad thing, or you can look at a situation of like, you know what can I learn from this that can be good for me? What can I learn from this that can help me grow? What can I learn from this so I don't have to continue to go through the same things and expecting a different result? So that perspective shift from negative to positive, it will literally transform your life. Because I see a lot of people, they going through the same hurts, the same past, the same traumas, but the only reason they keep going through it is because their mindset is always stuck on the negative. They always dwell on the negative. For me, I started seeing things going my way. Not that everything went my way, but when it doesn't go my way, I don't think of it as a doom and gloom. I look at it as like, okay, you know what? I'm glad that happened because I was able to learn this. I'm glad that happened because it gave me the opportunity for this. Like, just start to have a positive perspective no matter what the situation is, and I promise you, you'll see big changes in your life. So number 4, and this is a big one too, physical exercise, man. Get in the gym. Even if you're not a person who's used to working out, you don't even have to do nothing strenuous. Like today I came out in nature. As you can see, I like being outside, fresh air, get some sunlight on you, and just do a walk. Even if it starts with a walk, if it starts with a few push-ups, whatever it is, just get active, because you only have one vehicle, and that's your body. You got to take care of your body so your body can take care of you, because there's no way you're going to be able to reach your goals. There's no way that you're going to be successful. There's no way that you're going to do anything if your health is not in the right spot and you laid up in a hospital bed somewhere. So I would definitely say physical exercise for number 4. Now number 5, I became addicted to learning. When I say I became addicted to learning, like, I'm real into business. I like looking up everything about credit and how these people are able to do amazing things just by having a good credit score, and how businesses start from zero and end up building to multi-million, sometimes billion-dollar companies. So I became addicted to looking up these things. I became addicted to learning. I became addicted to the human psychology and how the mind works. Like, I became addicted to those things. So whatever that you're interested in, become addicted to learning about it, because it's all about mastery. Once you learn how to master things, I promise you, like, life is just, it'll go way, way better in your favor. Sorry, I'm looking at this next one here, and it's gonna be healthy diet, man. A healthy diet is critical. Like, and I can tell you from personal experience of when I was eating poorly versus how I'm eating now. And I'm not perfect, you know. I mean, sometimes I have my times where I don't necessarily eat the right things, but what I can tell you is I'm conscious of it. So when I'm not doing right by my body, my subconscious mind lets me know, like, hey man, you putting garbage in your body. You know what I'm saying? So I get more intentional about what I put in my body, what I fuel myself with, and ultimately I can tell you from experience, you feel way better when you're eating cleaner, when you're eating fruits, vegetables, drinking water, exercise, and all those things play hand in hand to your performance of your daily duties or whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is you want to achieve. You have to have a clear mind. And a lot of the stuff that goes on mentally is directly correlated to our gut health. So always be mindful of the diet that you put, because I mean, just think about how many processed foods and GMOs and all these things that they give us, especially here in America. Like, the diet is poor, so you have to be very mindful of what you eat, because you need to be eating to live. That's another book, Eat to Live, great book, and it just teaches you how to properly take care of yourself. So that's number 6. Number 7 would definitely have to be writing down these goals, man. We got to write down these goals. We have to clearly, and when I say write it down, don't just write down I want to accomplish this. No, write down what it is you want to accomplish, and then you have to get detailed about it, of when do you want to accomplish this, and even deeper than that, what are the steps to get to that? See what I'm saying? Because you have to create a GPS, in a sense, or a roadmap to those goals. So once you know what it is and you define it clearly of what it is you want to do and accomplish, then you have to write the GPS. Like, okay, how am I going to get to these goals? Which leads me directly to number 8, which, like I said, is the most important step. We have to take action. Without action, nothing can get accomplished. So I hope somebody learned something from this video. Like I said, take action, man. You really do have the power to manifest whatever life it is that you want. And my whole goal in this is just building a community of people who are like-minded and thinking at a higher frequency, and we can all help each other accomplish what we have to accomplish in this life, because we're stronger together than we are apart. Like I said, these are the 8 simple habits that really transform my life. And I appreciate you for watching. If you find that this can be helpful to anyone that you know, please share, like, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with more jewels. I appreciate y'all.